Wow. Whoa.
Is it a real car?
Did Santa bring you a real car?
Get in it. Are you gonna drive baby sister in this?
Yeah.
Is it for you and baby sister? You have another one.
2 cars today.
Oh my gosh.
Why don't you sit over here? Sit right here. Is it forward or reverse?
I think it's in reverse.
Whoa!
Good job.
Whoa!
Okay, stop it.
Oh my!
What's your